Hello everybody and welcome to week 11 of online math. We're going to do some work with measures of central tendency this week. So that includes finding the range, the median, the mean, and the mode. Now this is all stuff you've probably done before, so it's going to be a bit of review, but it is stuff that we need to know as we move toward later lessons this week where we get into word problems, okay? So the first item we're going to work on is the range. Now the range is probably the simplest one. It's just finding the difference between the highest and lowest number in a group of numbers. So all we do is look at all the numbers that we're given and we find the highest number and the lowest number. The numbers in between don't matter. They're useless. Just leave them alone, okay? So if we look at this first set, we have 7, 3, and 5. So take a second, look at those three, and determine what the highest number is and what the lowest number is. So we can see that the highest number in this set is the 7. So I've got this nice number line here that's going to be super helpful in finding the range. And I'm going to locate the 7 on my number line. I'm actually going to get a brighter colored marker. So 7 I'm going to find on my number line. I'm going to put a little dot there. Can you see it? Hope so. And then where my lowest number is on the number line, I'm going to put a dot equally in size to it. And that is 3. So we've got the high number and the low number. All we're going to do is find the difference between them. We can count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our difference. Or if you can just find that difference in your head, 7 minus 3 equals 4. So our range equals 4. 7 minus 3. Okay? Our second set gets a little bit more complicated because we have a negative integer in -2. It's the same process, but it's just going into negative numbers now. So again, we have a beautiful number line, and on it, if you can see, I'm starting at -3 and ending at 13, because I want all of the numbers to be on my number line when finding the range. So take a look at these four, 12, -2, 6, and 0, and figure out what is the largest or highest number within that group. I think it's 12. What do you think? Let's go with 12. Our highest number. Our lowest number, some might think is 0, but any number with a negative sign beside it on the left side means it's less than 0. It's below 0. Think about the thermometer. Any temperature that's below 0 on your thermometer is a negative number. So I'm going to put another red dot where my -2 is. So our range is between 12 and -2. Okay? So we can count all the way from 12 to -2 to find the range. If you do that in your head, totally cool. If you'd like a way that sort of checks your work as you go, you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means our range between 12, -2, 6, and 0 is 14. It's the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Range equals 14. If we look at our third group of numbers, we have 51, 36, 18, 61, 17, and 49. It doesn't matter how many numbers we have, as long as we can locate the highest number and the lowest number. Now for this example, I'm not going to draw a number line. You are more than welcome to and encouraged to, but it would be difficult to put all those numbers in a space here that you can see. So let's locate our biggest number. What's our largest number in this group? What is it? I heard it at the back. Somebody said 61. Love it. 61 is our biggest number. Now take a look and find the lowest number. 17. Good. We're going to find the difference now between 61 and 17. So take a second, do the math, and let me know. I heard somebody whisper to their friend 44. And that is correct. That's your range. So all range is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. Now, also what that means is every number in your set or group is between your highest and lowest number. So we chose 61 and 17, but all the other numbers then are in between 61 and 17. No number is higher than 61. No number is less than 17. Same here. No number is higher than 12. No number is less than -2. And at the top, no number is higher than 7, and no number is lower than 3. That's all that range is. The difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Okay? As always, there will be a follow-up lesson for you posted in Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we will see you next time for the next measure of central tendency. Bye for now.